Series of rolls and gain energy for the torque ball. In this maneuver, the engine, which turns the propeller to the right, torques the airplane in the opposite direction left. You will see that on top of the maneuver, the airplane will slide backwards while rolling or torquing to the left. Down.
Watch him. Go around.
On the way down from the torque roll, Nick sets up for the first tumble, which he entered from a 45-degree upline. Tumbles are formerly known as roundabouts, cause the tail of the airplane to be thrown in front of the nose several times. Do not try this in your Cessna. Next, we have a wedge, a vertical upline with two 90-degree rolls, then push into a 45 down line with a double head. Next comes a second tumble. This one entered from a vertical upline. Double three-quarter roll followed by opposite one-quarter roll to get into the P loop. In the P loop, the airplane draws the letter P in the sky while integrating some rolls to finish with the double roll. Next maneuver is a slide, which transitions on the very top into an inverted flat spot. That goes into a hammerhead. So right now, Nick is climbing and he's cooling his aircraft down.